Can we please make him stop? I have earplugs in and I can still hear him.
Andy never snored like that. He always had that cute little koala bear snore. It was just all...
Sure, he grinded his teeth. So what? Who cares if he's toothless when he's older?
Hey, I hate Granny. All right, I can't take this anymore.
Hey!
Oh, man, I just woke up.
Oh, you're up?
What's up, guys?
Are you good? We're just making sure you got blankets and...
Oh, yeah, dude, all set.
All right.
I do gotta go make the bladder gladder, though.
Oops. Oh.
Yeah.
Dick! Whoa. Hey, Frenchie, you know what, man? I think the dick tap's kind of reached its saturation point, you know, so...
Yeah, right.
This guy officially sucks.